I already got the Rawlings official Major League Baseball. Everything you need in here except Delaware mud. Everyone knows what a baseball looks like, and I'm sure if you're a collector, you know what an official Major League Baseball looks like. But I just want to show you how this came. It actually came in a box. No padding on it or nothing, but it arrived undamaged, which is good. When you open this up, it actually has a cube in it, and the cube itself was protected in plastic. I've already taken it off. Very nice. Nice you've got the display cube to go with it. I get autographs from rock stars on baseballs, and I was using official Major League Ball because what else would you use? So the case itself has Rawlings printed on it, and it has the Major League Baseball logo, which I think is awesome. It also has that felt piece on the top to keep it in there nice and tight, but also protected. So we take the case off, you can see that it's a two-piece case. It's got the four pieces on the bottom that the baseball sits in, and obviously it is the Major League Baseball. Look at this baby. It's got your official Major League Baseball logo on there. We've got the commissioner's name, we've got Rawlings, everything you would expect with an official Major League Baseball. I just wanted to show you how it arrived, so put it back in the case, put it back on there, and good to go. Almost ready for my next signature. So if you're looking for an official Major League Baseball, check this one out. It arrived safely, and it's exactly what it was supposed to be when I got it. So check it out.